What is up, friend girly? So today we're going to be doing an unboxing video for Ulta. Alright, fangirlies, let's get into this Ulta haul. So as you guys know, right now we're going through a pandemic. We're going through COVID-19, the coronavirus, and I thought I would just pick up a few items from Ulta that I need to restock on, and that includes makeup, from face wash to just about anything, even chapstick. And yeah, I just wanted to come here and show you guys what I got. And I also wanted to tell you about how fast the shipping was and how that affected this coronavirus. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright. So I'm going to take my golden scissors to cut this box. Let's see. Okay. Alright. Okay. Let's see. This is what we got in here. So yeah, for this I spent $92.36. I just figured I'd keep it under $100 so I could do maybe like I spent $100 at Ulta video, or I spent less than $100, and this included my shipping. So let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so the first thing that I see in here is an Ulta Beauty Contour Kit. Alright, let's see. So this is how it's packaged. It came in this Ziploc bag, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Okay. Put that to the side. Alrighty, so this is what it's looking like. Okay, let's see. I believe these are instructions on the back. I don't know, it kind of looks like a book. Let's see. Oh. Okay. Can I get it off? Okay, I got it off. It's a book. Just pull here for smart tips. Okay, so apparently it's telling you how to contour. I know how to do that, but I mean, that's neither here nor there. For those of you who don't know how to, then this is for you, boo. It says fair skin tone. It's not me. And then it says medium skin tone. Obviously, I don't have fair or medium skin tone, but okay. All right, let's get into the kit. So open it. I don't like this already. So it looks like, I don't know, maybe I'm just being nitpicky about this, but it's like smudged just a bit. Like, I don't know if you remember, like years past, there were like things going on saying don't order from Ulta online because they let you return items, and then they put those items that were used back on shelves, and they'll sell it to customers. So I'm not really fond of that, but I mean, it doesn't really look like it's used. Maybe that's just, maybe that little mark was just a mishap. I don't know. I guess we're gonna have to let that one slide. But for my contour shades, this is probably the only shade I would be able to use from this palette, because clearly these won't work for me. Unless I use it as like an eyeshadow, something like that. I think maybe I'd use this like on top of my lid. Yeah, but that's about it. This would be my only shade that I'd actually be able to use to like chisel out my face. So yeah, that's that. And I'm gonna move on to the next item. Okay, so next, I needed some more primers. Wow, this is not primer. I needed some more setting spray for my face. So let's see. Comes in this cute little bag, just a clear bag, you know. So the first one I got, I actually want to try this out. It's by Mario Badescu Skincare, established in 1967. Okay, so I got their facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. Okay, I can't wait to try this one. It says it's for all skin types. And I got the 4 fluid ounce bottle because I wanted to try it. This is my first time trying it. I've heard good things about it, but like I said, I just want to try it out so I can possibly let you guys know. So that's the first setting spray, or spray for my face. The next one that I got is a staple of mine. I love this setting spray for setting my makeup. It is the Milani Make It Last Matte setting spray. And so yeah, I love this one. It's a 16-hour wear. And now that I'm remembering this, in this video I actually haven't said the prices, so I'm saying this now to remind myself to actually put the prices on the screen. So if I don't put the prices on the screen, then that is my bad, and I'm sorry, y'all. Okay, so that's the setting spray. Next, out of the box, I have this Gentle Skin Cleanser by Cetaphil. I love this stuff. I just use this to wash my face. I always go between this or a Neutrogena, and also Noxzema, but this product I really do like it. It just comes out of this pump and you just put it all over your face, wash your face, and I can tell you a little bit about it. It just says mild, non-irritating formula, and it softens as it cleans. And I can actually say that it does soften your skin as it cleans. I haven't had any problems with it. I like it. I think you should give it a try. Next thing in here, I got me some Ardell professional lashes. I remember when I first got started into makeup, people were buying these like crazy, and actually I never knew where to get them. I would always just go to Walmart and get some Kiss lashes, but these are the Ardell Professional Wispies. They were actually sold out of the Demi Wispies, is what I really wanted to try, but I'm gonna give these a try. They look so natural. I love the way they look, and I actually can't wait to wear them. So yeah, in this you get 5 pairs, and it says the original feathered lash with Invisiband. So one more look at that. Next in the box, okay, so next I have these chapsticks by Burt's Bees. I have a 4-pack. Now I definitely wanted to get me some chapstick. That's because I don't know about y'all, but during this quarantine, my lips have been so chapped, and I'm guilty. I have been so scared to go to the store to actually get me some. So in this 4-pack, I decided to get I don't want to say flavor, but I guess flavor or scent or style, whatever you want to call it. I got Burt's Bees pomegranate, coconut and pear, mango, and pink grapefruit, and pink grapefruit. Currently I'm using the pink grapefruit, and I really do like it. It feels good on the lips. It has a nice smell. It doesn't leave like any white cast or anything. So yeah, I would recommend to get some Burt's Bees. Next. Okay, next I have a translucent powder. I did need some more of this in my makeup collection, and this is the Morphe translucent powder Bake and Set. It is in the color Deep. And so yeah, it just comes in this cute little box, and on here it says translucent rich. And yeah, that is what I got. Alrighty. Okay. And now down to the last item. The last item in this haul is actually a lip liner. I actually did run out of brown lip liner, and I love NYX. So the NYX lip liner that I got is the NYX Professional Makeup. I'm just gonna put it up in the, hopefully you can see that. I'm trying to find the color on it. I don't see it. Let's see, I don't. What color? Okay, so in this NYX lip pencil, I got it in the color Espresso. It's just a brown, let's see, just a brown shade. And I love to line my lips with brown. That is what I line my lips with whenever I'm putting on lipstick, because for me, I prefer to line my lips. Okay, so with shipping, I ordered my items on April 23rd. Okay, so yeah, April 23rd was a Thursday, and then I received my items on April 30th, and that was a Thursday as well. So that was a total of 7 days. That was 1 week. I would say that's pretty fast shipping due to the pandemic. Now, normally, I don't know how they ship. I know normally some people say like, oh, we ship 2 to 5 days, but for this, it took 7 days. And when I did order, they did send me an email saying that, hey, due to the pandemic, we may not be able to ship it out as fast, but I'm just gonna go ahead and give you a timeline as to how it happened. Okay, so I ordered on April 23rd, and I didn't get an email saying that it shipped until April 27th. So I'm pretty sure that a lot of people are ordering, and it took a few days for them to get everything packaged together. So yeah, and the place of its origin, it said that it's coming from Texas. That was the origin scan. Okay, so then we trickle on down. So it arrived in Alabama on April 28th at 4:54 p.m. And then, okay, I'm like, okay, cool. It's in Alabama. It's, what was that? That was like 2 days before. I'm like, okay, so I should be getting this today. Like, I don't know about y'all, but when I have a package, I'm looking at it. I'm like, when is this package gonna come to me? Okay, so that was me. So I was expecting to get it that day, but it was still saying that it wasn't going to get here until Thursday on the 30th. Okay, so I'm just reminding you that it was actually here on the 28th in the state of Alabama. Okay, and then next on the 29th, at 6:27 a.m., it arrived in Birmingham. And see, I'm in Birmingham, so I'm like, okay, so I should be getting it today. I still didn't get it on the 29th. It literally said the 30th, so that's the day that I got it. Now, normally, I know with some companies, they'll go ahead and just make sure that you get it, but this was shipped with USPS, so that our mailing services actually gave it to us. So I guess I just have to check that up with the mail and not with Ulta, so no fault there. But if you're wondering about how that works, then that's something to think about. So yeah, that is all that I got in this video. I'd like to thank you for watching. And y'all, right now we're going through a pandemic, and I would just like to remind you all to please wash your hands. Please, please, please social distance, because this is crucial. This virus is serious, and yeah, we gotta buckle down with this. So yeah, I'm glad you watched this video, and if you stay to the end, then you are a real one. And I would like for you to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to ToriShelly. Make sure you turn on the post notifications so you don't miss an upload. Leave me a comment and let me know if you like it, and see you next time.